Bienvenido guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. In this video, I'm gonna attach my GoPro to my LS2 helmet along with this mic adapter. It's gonna be difficult because LS2 has a curvy surface. So let's check it out what we're gonna need to accomplish this task. So keep watching, I'll be back.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Now let's see what we're gonna need to accomplish this task. First of all, we're gonna need helmet and a GoPro. Then we're gonna need some M-seal, we're gonna need masking tape, then you're gonna need mic adapter, J-mount with 3M tape, and we're gonna need this. Now you must be thinking why you need all this stuff, so keep watching, you will come to know why I need all this thing. Okay, so the plan is I'm gonna attach this J-mount to this helmet. The problem over here is the gap that is getting created due to this curvy surface. And to solve that, I'm gonna attach M-seal to this portion so that it will feel the gap between this. So let's do it. And on this J-mount, I'm gonna just attach my GoPro. So the things will go like this. So first of all, I'll just use this masking tape and attach a masking tape to my helmet so that it will not disturb my helmet. It will not make any scratches to the helmet. So let's do it. Okay, so the masking is done. Now let me prepare the M-seal. So we have this two thing. We just have to mix it well. Now what I have to do, I just have to remove this. I'll remove the 3M portion from this J mount. Let me remove it. So I have removed it, and now So now I have applied the M-seal on this after removing the 3M tape, and also I've created a base over here so that I can get some lift and I can get a proper angle. Let's attach this to the helmet. So now let it dry for some time.
1 hour later.
Okay, so as you can see, after applying the M-seal, there is no more gap and pretty much hard enough. So what I'll do, I'll remove this. I'll remove the I'll remove the masking tape, I'll remove this portion, and then I will apply 3M tape to this to fix permanently to this helmet. So let's do it. Finally, I have removed this, and this M-seal has got a proper shape according to my helmet. So I'll just apply the 3M tape to this to fix this permanently. So as you can see, there is no gap. So now let's attach a GoPro. Okay, now after this I need to attach this mic adapter. The one way to do this is to attach this mic adapter over here and plug this cable to the GoPro. This is the kind of a solution, and I'll just attach the mic and I'll put that mic inside my helmet. But I think this is not kind of a permanent solution. For the permanent solution, what I did, I bought this. Now this will hold my GoPro as well as this mic adapter. So let me put my GoPro and this mic adapter into this. So let's do it. I'm gonna put my GoPro inside this case. So it's very easy. Just push this, it will get removed. So in a GoPro there was a cap which I removed it. It is very easy to remove. Since if you want to motovlog, you have to remove that cap. Now after putting this inside a case, put this to this, and over here attach your mic. Now I'm attaching this case. So now the attachment is done. Now we need to get the mic. So I have this normal mic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this mic inside my helmet, and then this will go to this. So the setup is ready. Now I just have to think about the backup plan. Like if this thing falls and I don't have anything to hold it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this thing to my GoPro with the help of a thread, a proper strong thread, so that if this attachment falls, at least this portion will hold my GoPro for some time. So guys, the setup is ready. As you can see, it's looking good and strong enough to hold my GoPro. And this is a string. I will attach this during my ride so that even if it falls, the string will hold my GoPro for some time. This is the mic, as you can see. So now it's time to test the setup. Let me show you some videos. So this is the sample video from GoPro, and I'm gonna show you 3 sample videos of different kind. So this is the night mode, and the next sample video will be from the daylight, and the third will be hyperlapse. So right now the time is around 11:20 and I am in Thane, Mumbai. So there are 2 things which I wanted to share. The one is that I'm using a basic mic for the recording. I'm not using an expensive one because I wanted to test. I do have an expensive one mic with me, but I want to check whether the basic is working fine or not. The second thing which I wanted to discuss is that the plug should be of TRS type, should not be of TRRS. If it is a TRRS plug, then you need a connector or a converter which converts a TRRS to TRS converter. Okay, if you don't understand, let me show you the things with the help of a diagram. I'll flash the images over here. On my left hand side you can see it's a TRS. So on my left hand side it is a TRS plug that you need, otherwise the GoPro will not record the sound. The second one is the TRRS connector or TRRS plug. So you need to buy the left one, TRS mics. And if you don't get it, and if you have a TRRS mic, then you need to buy a converter which converts TRRS to TRS. So I hope you get it. And if you don't find it, then don't worry, I will put the links to buy all this stuff in the description box. And for all this stuff, please hit the like button. So this is how it looks during a daytime. The time right now is 6:53 p.m. and the temperature is around 36 to 37 degrees. It's not that hot right now. So this is how it looks, and let me know the quality of the video and the audio of GoPro. And now it's time for hyperlapse. So hyperlapse is coming in 3, 2, 1, go. So I hope you enjoy that hyperlapse and videos which I've taken from my GoPro. And right now I'm holding this Figo air suspension seat. According to the advertisement, they have said that it is good for long ride. I haven't used it, so I'll be using in my next ride and I will review it. So if you want to buy it, then don't forget to watch my next video. And that's it for the day. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do what you can't do.